Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning up my linen closet and I hope you guys enjoy. So this is what the linen closet looked like before. It didn't necessarily look bad, but it just wasn't accessible for our family. So I started off by taking everything out of the closet and just throwing it onto the floor wherever it fit. So this is what it looks like after everything was out of the closet. Honestly, I got to a point to where I didn't even know what to do with some of it because I just didn't know what it was. So after I could see everything that we had, I started off with the group of linens that we used most often, which is the towels. I tried folding them like Marie Kondo, but in the long run that just took up room, so I couldn't use that option. Although with the smaller towels, I just didn't even bother doing the Marie Kondo style folding technique. I just ended up putting them behind the bigger towels to save room. The item that I had the most trouble with was the pillows. They were big and bulky and didn't seem to fit anywhere, which made them very hard to find a spot for. I played around with it and eventually got what I wanted. At this point, all the shelves were full and the bottom was the only thing left to do. I found out that the only thing that was in the box was a bunch of pillows, so I just added a bunch of miscellaneous items. So I filled up the bottom of the closet and I was done. Let's take one more look at the before and finally the after. Honestly, I think it looks so much better. It definitely is more accessible for our family, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below any recommendations you may have for future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!